We knew there was a sinister plan in naming this airport, and I say one thing. I had made a demand that the airport, Mopa Airport, should be named after Dr. Jack the Sequeira or the Anand Banwarkar. I had no problem. My first reference was Dr. Jack the Sequeira. Now they have decided to name it Manohar. Now, after destroying the legacy of Manohar Parrikar, the BJP now claims that this airport is being given a name in honor of Manohar Parrikar. Why is the BJP scared to name it Manohar Parrikar Airport? You have in France, you have Charles de Gaulle Airport. It's not simply Charles. You have a full name. So therefore, John F. Kennedy Airport is not simply John. So if you want to name an airport and give respect to a person, you need to give the name correctly so that the world will know that you are respecting and honoring a particular individual. If you are trying to be ambivalent, which is neither here nor there, and look at photo park, the Manohar Dilmon, you can see so many Manohars who have got up. एक नुस्तेकार आमुगे constituency, दूसरा टेलर आसा दिंगा, तीसरा बाबू आसगांव का रासा, मनोहर त्रिंबक आसगांव का रासा. So I say, you want to name after him also, no problem. You tell it boldly. Why should the BJP run scared like a coward and try to say that we are honoring him in such a shady and dubious manner? And in the hands of the Honorable Prime Minister, I think you have insulted the nation with such kind of an attempt. I think this may be the first time which we can be seeing in the history of our country that you are playing with the hound and also racing with the hare, which is completely wrong way of looking at things. And I think the BJP needs to introspect. And this function, if you saw yesterday, was a pure tamasha and a mela of the BJP, where we were kept out, opposition was totally out, and despite the fact that we have a leader of opposition, despite the fact that we have a member of parliament, Francisco Sardina, and this is the way that the BJP has insulted Goa and the Goans.
Mr. Kalu, sir, you was not invited for that function.
I got the invitation in the morning of the function.
Thank you.
That is a mystery that only they can answer.
Somebody is good.